What I wish I knew when I first started on TikTok, the secrets to earning big. Let's get into it. First up, brand partnerships and sponsorships. Partner with brands to promote their products in your videos. Brands might reach out once your follower count skyrockets, or you can pitch to them directly. Next, the TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok pays eligible creators based on views and engagement. Just hit 10K followers and 100K views in the past 30 days, and you're in. Let's talk affiliate marketing. Promote products using affiliate links and earn commissions. Join programs like Amazon Associates and drive traffic through your videos. How about selling your own products or services? Use TikTok to showcase what you offer and link to your store in your bio. The sky's the limit. Don't forget TikTok Live gifts and coins. Go live, engage with fans, and convert their virtual gifts into real cash. And there you have it. Mix and match these strategies, stay consistent, and watch your TikTok earnings soar.